इसकी शुरुआत हुई कोविड के टाइम में। और ये आइडिया पुष्कर का है। तो पुष्कर ने हु इज आल्सो द डायरेक्टर, राइटर एंड एडिटर ऑफ द शो. So we've had a very long working relationship because there are a couple of very good influencers also who are very good actors, and maybe they were actors and then they have become influencers. Through COVID, people have become very price conscious. That if the value of what I want to be entertained with, they have a number in mind of what kind of investment they are going to do. We have to be sure why we are here. What is that one point which why we have landed up here to do what?
Hello, Hemal sir. How are you? And welcome to Bollywood Live.
Super. I'm great. Thank you so much for having me.
So, sir, how is life treating you? What's new? What's happening? And you look absolutely like stylish.
Yeah.
As ever.
Thank you. Yeah, it's working for me, so I've been maintaining it.
Yeah.
Life is good right now, except for the country which is going through some mess. Rest all is fine. We have a decent, good opening for the show with good reviews, so we're happy. Celebrating.
Yeah. So talking about black, white, and grey. So I want to know that kahan se shuruaat hui from the idea to the execution and everything.
Right. So basically इसकी शुरुआत हुई कोविड के टाइम में. और ये आइडिया पुष्कर का है. तो पुष्कर ने who is also the director, writer and editor of the show. So we've had a very long working relationship with Pushkar. We have done a film also together, Welcome Home.
Yeah.
And, so वहाँ से things have we've been working पहले टेलीविजन में बहुत काम किया हम लोग ने साथ में. So एक ऐसी आइडिया उन्होंने पुष्कर ने सुनाया और मुझे तुरंत ही बहुत यूनिक सा लगा कि this is a very good idea and our audience would really love to watch something which is so solid.
Yeah.
So from there on we started developing it slowly. It took its time and we had all the time in the world because COVID में वैसे ही कुछ करना ज्यादा था नहीं. So we had all the time. So what happened was Pushkar wrote all the 6 episodes first.
Achha.
So we wrote the entire script in COVID.
One stretch.
Right. It's a very complicated narrative to understand for the other person to understand.
Yeah.
So then we decided that we'll create a POC, that is proof of concept. So post COVID, we shot a 5-minute of the show, and we pitched it along with our scripts and the POC to the networks, and that's how it progressed.
So how did the casting happen?
So casting में, see, fiction casting में there are a couple of people which we knew that we wanted to target, जैसे देवेन भूजानी या अपना टिशु भाई. So जब हम बात कर रहे थे एपिसोड्स की और कैरेक्टर्स की, तभी ही we were identifying कि ऐसा कुछ होना चाहिए, देवेन होना चाहिए या टिशु भाई होने चाहिए, ऐसा कोई कैरेक्टर. सो वो थोड़ा फिक्स हुआ. उसके बाद फिर जब शो ग्रीन लाइट हुआ तो फिक्शन कास्ट में मयूर आया, पलक आई, एंड वी वर प्रीटी रिजिड कि हम लोग को कोई एक्टर ढंग का, जैसे मयूर वाज बिजी एट दैट टाइम व्हेन वी वांटेड टू शूट, बट वी वेटेड फॉर मयूर टू कम बैक बिकॉज एक बार हमने वो क्लियर हो गया था कि वी वांट मयूर. So we waited for him from the other show which he was shooting. इसमें interesting part ये है कि there is a huge non-fiction cast. You know what? Because it's a mockumentary. So that was a tough casting to come with. तो जैसे संजय साहू है, संजय साहू POC में भी थे. So that Pushkar and our creative Ankita, she knew him. That's how Pushkar ने उसका ऑडिशन लिया. तो वैसे वो थोड़ा टफ पार्ट ऑफ कास्टिंग वाज नॉन फिक्शन देन द फिक्शन. फिक्शन में तो फिर भी क्या है कि आपको लोग मिल जाते हैं, बट वी वांटेड टू कास्ट good actors were not known to the audience in the fiction,
Right.
non-fiction cast. That was a very tough casting.
Fresh faces. So, nowadays what we have observed is that, a lot of influencers are getting casted in the Bollywood movies, be it OTT projects also, based on the followers. But, if we talk about the other stars, जो मेहनत करते हैं actors, drama schools में, so they've been trying a lot and they've been trying their luck. But, at the same time, picking such people based on the followers. ये किस हद तक सही है? I want to know from your lens, like what do you feel about this?
मेरे है ना मैम, सो दो तरह के प्रोजेक्ट्स होते हैं. एक तो है ना क्रिएटिव लेंसिंग से प्रोजेक्ट होते हैं. आई मीन कंटेंट होता है जो डेवलप होता है, क्रिएटिव टीम मजबूत होती है वो क्रिएटिवली एग्जीक्यूट करने के लिए.
Yeah.
दूसरा है ना थोड़ा मार्केटिंग ड्रिवन कंटेंट होता है जो आपका क्रिएटिव्स पे डोमिनेट करता है. तो मुझे लगता है इन्फ्लुएंसर का जो फिल्मों में या ओटीटी स्पेस में फोर्स्ड एंट्री जो की जाती है, because there are a couple of very good influencers also who
Yeah.
are very good actors, and maybe they were actors and then they have become influencers. So there is a combination of lot of things, but then lot of times you see influencers who can't contribute to this long form performances because it's a different art altogether. So I'm sure that a lot of people who learn acting or who are actors must be really getting wild about कि यार इनको मौके मिल जाते हैं हमको नहीं मिलते.
Exactly.
तो
यही.
उनको होना भी चाहिए because they are right in their space, because they know the art, they've learned the art, they pray for opportunity. But मुझे ये I sincerely see this as जब marketing starts dominating the creative, such accidents keep on happening because the ratio of success is very low. That somebody has really delivered a powerful performance कि यार ये influencer थी और उन्होंने ये perform किया, साली क्या actress है, कभी नहीं हुआ. It's not happened as yet.
Right.
हाँ, एक आध जगह भी हुआ mismatched में मेरे ख्याल से. She turned out to be a very good actor. Yeah, and I think she must be a good actress right from पहले से. It was not her influencer wala character which has worked for the show. The actor within her has shined enough.
True that. I agree. Totally.
Yeah.
So, sir, talking about your, projects. So, oh my God, to welcome home. So, what has been the vision? Like, is it कि society को सिखाना है, message देना है, or you wanted to convey your own thing? So, I want to know that what was the vision?
So, a little vision is basically not to do films which are already done. कि आधे टाइम में वही फिल्म हम लोग देखते हैं जो दूसरों ने ऑलरेडी बना ली है.
और रीमेक का काफी हो रहा है.
रीमेक नहीं, वर्जन्स बनते जाते हैं. अपने वहां अभी एक स्त्री आएगी तो 50 करोड़ स्त्री आ जाएगी. अभी ये है ना, वो चलते रहेगा. एवरीबॉडी इज लुकिंग फॉर हॉरर कॉमेडी नाउ. नाउ टिल द टाइम वो हॉरर कॉमेडी के पीछे हाथ धो के लोग पड़ जाएंगे और जब तक उनको बहुत पिटाई नहीं होगी तब तक बंद नहीं करेंगे. फिर एक नया जॉनर आएगा जिसको चेज करना शुरू करेंगे. तो अपने वहां आई कैन टोटली अंडरस्टैंड दैट बिकॉज देयर business format is such that people like templates. कि क्या कर रहे हो, हॉरर कॉमेडी कर रहा हूँ, जरा स्त्री टू टाइप्स कुछ बनाते हैं, टिकटॉक, दिस इज हाउ दे कम्युनिकेट. तो the conscious effort has always been to create things or tell stories to the audience which are fresh for them. So if you see Oh My God also, or Welcome also, or even my TV shows, if you go to see, most of them are a very original format and original storytelling devices which we have used to communicate to the audience. Because audience को भी है ना एक breakout चाहिए होता है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है. Means they are tired of, they understand this format now, क्योंकि उनको मालूम पड़ता है कि अभी स्त्री 2 आएगी तो पीछे दूसरे 4-6 लाइन लगने वाली है.
So talking about
I'm sorry.
So also talking about the audience, अब क्या है क्योंकि OTT और इतना डिजिटलाइजेशन हो चुका है कि पीपल आर लाइक कि अभी OTT पे मूवी आएगी हम देख लेंगे। तो सिनेमा को लेकर जितना एक्साइटमेंट और वो था ना कि अंदर से प्लान बनते थे कि अब जाएंगे वील गो विद फैमिली, फुटफॉल कम होती जा रही है। सो व्हाट कुड बी द रीजन अपार्ट फ्रॉम OTT? बाकी मैंने फिल्म मेकर्स के इंटरव्यूज किए तो देयर सेइंग कि ओरिजिनलिटी कम हो गई, वी आर गेटिंग इंस्पायर्ड. Some are saying ki, because we are not investing that much on the writers and for like behind the scenes ke liye. So, and what could be the reason if I ask you?
Yeah, in my limited knowledge, what I understand now, is there is not one factor. There are multiple factors, and few factors have been decayed for a very long time. Now we are only seeing the result of the decay which has happened.
Hmm.
Firstly, and very firstly, is I don't think so. The ticket prices are in sync with how audience would want to go and enjoy a show. The
Hmm.
popcorn prices are not in sync with people who would want to go and enjoy the show. We have killed a certain level of audience who used to, at a drop of a hat, go and watch a film. And those were those people who used to just अपने रिक्शा साइड में लगा के अंदर शो देख के आते थे. Those were the people who were watching a good film thrice
Hmm.
because it was affordable for them to do it.
Right.
And we cannot be a hit or a super hit uh, film if your audience is not watching you multiple times. We don't have a solid audience in our country. We have a repetitive audience in our country. If you make them have fun in the audience, they will come back and enjoy it again. They are really very giving that way. So that is one of the very very big factors. Through COVID, people have become very price conscious. That if the value of what I want to be entertained with, they have a number in mind of what kind of investment they are going to do. Because if
Hmm.
you go to see otherwise, ma'am, all the live content shows are doing well. Your stand-up comedies in theaters are doing well. I'm
Yeah.
from theater. I do theater. Theaters are doing pretty all right. The live
The
concerts.
re-releases are working well, better than the latest movies. Re-releases, Veers are across 100 crore mark, and they are getting much, much better footfall. So people want to live in nostalgia. But why the latest movies are not working? Even if they have like such A-list stars in it.
So one part of conversation we had is the price point. Second part
Yeah.
of conversation is the kind of content we are giving. The kind of content which we are giving to the audience in the proportion which we are giving is not going to be worth it. It's, uh, if a Pathan comes, then I'm sorry to name it. I don't know how to do another reference.
Example.
Then a Sikandar won't work.
Hmm.
वो हो गया ना. एक बार मैंने वो सर्कस देख लिया, तो सर्कस मैंने एक बार देख लिया. अभी मुझे कुछ दूसरा देखना है. See, they are very big stars. They have a very big fan base. But whatever data is telling us for last 5 years is they're not going to spend for their superstars. It is
Yeah.
very clear. Secondly, यार मुझे personally ऐसा लगता है ना, हम ये बहुत personal है. It is, मुझे लगता है कि they are very overexposed. They are already selling a Harpic
Yeah.
also. They are doing माथे का तेल also, and they are doing
Ads
balm.
also.
And they are there on
Airport
social
spotted
media.
also.
Yeah, it's all bullshit. There is no mystery about them. And
Hmm.
they're exactly not like me. Means I'm a common man. When I see them, I see them as extraordinary people doing
Yeah.
extraordinary things. So there is no connect for me to be there with them. So my loyalties won't remain with such a star when I constantly see them in some hype. They're never normal. No,
Hmm.
their parties are not normal. The way media projects it, they're larger than life people.
Mega.
Yeah, बहुत ज्यादा है. और content writers, the first Brahmin of any creation on any medium is the writer.
True that.
So हम लोग ने writer production बंद कर दिया है. We have stopped producing writers for a very long time because you will never, especially from our industry, you will never find youngsters telling you मुझे बड़े होके राइटर बनना है या मुझे बड़े होके प्रोड्यूसर बनना है. ये दो लोगों की एम्बिशन नहीं होती. लोगों को बड़े होके हीरो बनना है, हीरोइन बनना है, एक्टर बनना है, डायरेक्टर बनना है, और उनको बड़े होके ना प्रोड्यूसर बनना है ना उनको राइटर बनना है.
राइट.
हाँ, तो आपने कुछ तो गलत किया है ना. कुछ तो हम लोग ने मिलके we have screwed it up somewhere where everybody comes to you with an idea which is already done, already exposed, already a hit formula is always in circulation. You'll see versions like we spoke earlier. Like a format will do good, then they'll start doing the same thing. What happened to this camera?
So yesterday I was just seeing the trailer of Sitare Zameen Par, and a lot of people, they have said that it is like the film and the trailer is inspired from a Spanish film जिसका remake बना था in English by the name of Champions, and अब वो उसका फिर से remake और बन रहा है. So inspired होना और remake बनना मतलब किस हद तक एक film की performance, क्योंकि देखो ऑडियंस का एक वो बन चुका है परसेप्शन कि अरे ये तो कॉपीड है समथिंग लाइक दैट, तो वो इस वजह से भी नहीं देखने जाते. बट एक ऑडियंस के हिसाब से अगर आप इफ यू वांट टू लाइक कन्विंस देम कि इनको बताना अगर आप चाहोगे कि एक रीमेक या फिर इंस्पायर्ड फिल्म मतलब हमें देखनी चाहिए या नहीं देखनी चाहिए, आई मीन हाउ इज इट लाइक?
अच्छी अच्छा कंटेंट हो तो देखनी चाहिए. देयर आर नो टू वेज अबाउट इट. ना वो कहाँ से है, कहाँ से कहाँ तो चीजें इंस्पायर होने वाली है. मींस इट इज नॉट समथिंग दैट एक ही ब्राइट आइडिया आएगा तो कंटेंट बनेगा ही नहीं. Because definitely things are going to get inspired from different content, from a novel or a film somewhere or whatever that is. Right? Inspiration is a great thing, but my only thing even earlier was that inspiration तक ठीक है, but the way we adapt it, no, we don't adapt it, we translate it. Amir Khan is a different ballgame altogether. But मुझे personally, I've decided this year I'm going to be very honest about what I'm going to tell. मुझे personally लगता है in interviews people just talk good things. And now people have stopped believing in people's reviews, views, because they know everybody is trying to please the other person. This format of a coach who's a drunkard, this character we have been watching this character in the last 10 years में आप सारी पिक्चर देख लो. ओरिजिनल इसका जर्म है चक दे, बराबर है. You get a coach and you get a team which is so screwed up, and how will this get up? So everybody is usually from Maidan. You see various films, all the coach films which is there. स्विमिंग पे होगी, एक उस पे है, एक इस पे है, एक क्रिकेट पे होगी, इस पे होगी, उस पे होगी. अभी हो गया ना, वो शराबी था, उसको उसकी लाइफ बड़ा अच्छा था. He didn't get a chance to play in the big match, and then he's become a crooked man, and then he's given one opportunity, but the team is so screwed, it's so different. How will he manage? So I think I also saw the trailer yesterday, and I think their approach is comedy. So approach has changed with such a team which is not normal. So audience को लगेगा how will they do it? Basic circus same है, means skeleton वो inspire बाहर से नहीं, हम लोग घर में ही 50 बार बना चुके हैं. शायद थोड़ा approach change हो गया है.
people वो आइकॉनिक मूवी तारे ज़मीन पर उससे ही उसको ही याद करते हुए कि कुछ आसपास ऐसा होगा. सो हाइप बहुत ज्यादा है इस वक्त.
वो बहुत हार्ट टचिंग फिल्म थी
जी.
वेरी सोलफुल, वेरी ब्यूटीफुली डन. उसका बेसिक थॉट ही इतना खूबसूरत था that even today we remember that film, we remember few moments, some music
and the songs
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
Yeah. So, talking about Bollywood industry, recently we saw this video of Babil Khan, doing rounds over internet,
Right.
in which he's saying that it's a toxic place, and he's taking out names, calling out names of his own colleagues. I mean,
Right.
very close friends, and then a statement issue kari that he was only praising the work, and but in the video we clearly heard him talking about these things. It's not about Babil; it's like other people also they're saying कि this industry is quite अलग है जैसे आपको दिखता है वैसा नहीं है. There's a lot of negativity in it, but being a veteran, so we want to know that how exactly does it work, and for all the aspiring actors, is it a safe place to work at, and how do they have to prepare themselves before stepping in.
मुझे ना ये यंगस्टर्स की थोड़ी बहुत दया आती है एक्चुअली, बिकॉज है ना उनकी एक्सपेक्टेशन बहुत ज्यादा है, कुछ
Yeah.
बहुत ही ज्यादा है. उनको अच्छा काम भी चाहिए, उनको ग्लैमर भी चाहिए, उनको सब कुछ चाहिए. और ये सोशल मीडिया ने उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया है इनटू 100%. सेकेंडली, हर इंडस्ट्री में नेगेटिविटी है, हर इंडस्ट्री में कंपटीशन है, हर इंडस्ट्री में अच्छे बुरे लोग हैं. और इंडस्ट्री छोड़िए, मैं अपनी सोसाइटी में होता है. अब जहाँ रहते हो वो सोसाइटी में ऊपर नीचे लोग होते हैं, तो वो ना लोग, आप कौन हो ना, वो बड़ा उसकी क्लैरिटी होनी चाहिए. हु आर यू? आप दूसरे को एक बार ब्लेम कर लेंगे, कितनी बार करेंगे मैम? इट्स अ लॉन्ग arc of being, you have to be in this profession for a longer time, so you have to learn and deal with this internally. If your expectations are too high, too complicated, you are expecting everybody to be your best friend, if you're expecting everybody should wish you well, अपनी सोसाइटी में नहीं होता है मैम. आई मीन
ऑफिस
इंडस्ट्री
में भी
को
नहीं होता है.
नहीं, हाँ, इंडस्ट्री को गाली दे के क्या मतलब है कि दिस इंडस्ट्री इज अ बैड. जो दिखता है मत देखो. आप नहीं देखोगे वो इंडस्ट्री को, तो इंडस्ट्री आपको वैसे नहीं दिखेगी. But there are people who do good work and go home, and they've had a process where they are dealing with it. The thing is, youngsters now, they really need to limit and be a little more clear about what are they expecting out of their profession. Everybody wants to be a product also, a actor also, a star also. आजकल बहुत बेच रहे हैं लोग, सब कुछ बेच रहे हैं. their parties, their birthdays, to their holidays, they're selling it everywhere. So now that expectation can't be matched.
Right.
और आपको डॉक्टर ने बोला ही नहीं है कि इतना सब करो. मींस you are an artist, be an artist, work with the art box. If you are going to play with the other things, other people will compete you there. And Babil is a young kid coming out of some serious stress in his life. You have to give it to him. And that's the thing ना मैम, कि हम लोग को भी अच्छा उसने बोल भी दिया है तो बोल दिया है यार. वापस उसको फिर नो इट इज देयर मैं कल, क्यों हम लोग एक दूसरे को मस्का लगा रहे हैं? फॉर व्हाट? आई डोंट नो यार.
Exactly.
तो बोल दिया, वो सच है, उसको सच लगा था. वो रात को 2 बजे तो सच लगा था. क्या करूं?
तो सर जो एस्पायरिंग एक्टर्स हैं, मतलब अभी जो इंडस्ट्री में स्टेप इन करने वाले हैं, जो आउटसाइडर्स की मैं अगर बात करूं, तो व्हाट दे शुड कीप इन माइंड बिफोर मेकिंग देयर डेब्यू और स्टेपिंग इनटू दिस फील्ड.
वो रॉकी की जो लाइन है ना, रॉकी बालाबू की, वो है, people will hit you in your stomach, your face, will make you fall down, but you have to get up and fight again. You have to, every day you have to motivate yourself to stand there and do that stuff. और ये प्रोफेशन नहीं, कोई भी प्रोफेशन के लिए. ये प्रोफेशन में क्या है, बहुत ज्यादा हाइप हो गया है, बहुत स्ट्रगल है. स्ट्रगल सब जगह पे है. ट्रेन में चढ़ने में स्ट्रगल है, स्ट्रगल तो है. हमें स्ट्रगल का कंप्लेंट क्यों है यार? Struggle is part of everybody's life. When you in your profession are struggling, me in my profession is struggling. Everybody, struggles. I mean, struggle is part
Yes.
of, but we have to be sure why we are here. What
The
is
goal.
that what is that one point which why we have landed up here to do what? If we are very clear and right about it, you will get your opportunities, you will get your place to shine. But then we don't know, हम लोग आ गए हैं, देखते हैं 2 साल नहीं हो रहा है तो देख लेंगे, दूसरा कुछ कर लेंगे. वो एक कुछ लोग पहुंच भी ऐसे जाते हैं कि जैसे टेंटेटिवली पहले 1 रुपए का कॉइन जाता था ना पब्लिक फोन में, कॉइन डाल के देखेंगे, बजा तो बजा, नहीं तो फिर वापस लौट जाएंगे. So if you are clear, then boss, you have to fight for your place in every industry is the same that way.
Right.
Sad.
So, what's next? I mean, what else can we expect from?
Not some theater is happening. There is one other show. Hopefully, we get on it very soon. I am working on a couple of film scripts. I hope a little ray of hope in that part of. We would love to make those scripts. Thoda some stability comes in this film dome. We are very excited to do a couple of. Okay, there is OTT space which is right now very interesting to work with. That is
Yes.
very much happening. Theater is amazing to work with. That is happening. So theater has become far more interesting in the last couple of years because audience traction has been more. So we are looking at some very exciting content types. I hope more writers, more thoughts, more newness comes to all the forms of content. So hoping to meet some very interesting writers actually to inspire us. Because writer is the only person जो आपको रात को सोने नहीं देता. उसने जो कहानी बोली होती है ना वो आपको रात
He's a magician, actually. So,
magician. He is the Brahmin, the first man.
yes.
So hoping for that.
Right. Thank you so much, sir, for your time.